Silver, I don't really trade metals at all. My favorite metal of all time is like doesn't do anything ever, albeit it's starting to now, but regardless, silver is waking up. This is one of those, I really lean to how Dime looks at it. Dime's like, this is a long-term base that you build up and you kind of hold, and you just kind of deal with the pain and the memes along the way, because it's not very volatile. It doesn't move a lot, and like the old all-time highs from like 2011 are like $49 an ounce. We're not there yet. Or is it all-time? Nope. Yeah. So maybe we get back to the all-time highs, but like these are very small moves. Maybe it's moving up. I don't really know. I don't trade, like I said, I don't trade it a lot. Or I don't trade it at all, period, to be honest with you. I don't really collect it either. The one that I do really like is platinum. Platinum's waking back up. My old thesis for this one is maybe we don't have to do EVs. Maybe we don't. But damn sure we have to have emissions equipment if we keep the combustion engines online. And you do need platinum in your catalytic converters. So all the hobos that steal the catalytic converters out of cars, they're stealing the platinum out of it. That's what it is. And a lot of people wear it as jewelry, but it's actually like one of the greatest metals of all time because it actually can help with emissions. Basically, if you spray unburnt fuel on platinum, it gets insanely hot and it burns out the fuel, the unburnt fuel, and makes your exhaust a lot cleaner. So anyway. Speaking of mining companies, we'll take a look at FCX. Freeport McMoran. I was watching the chart on this because, to me, Freeport McMoran is an oil company. Now, like to people like Doppel, Freeport McMoran is a mining company, which the answer is it's both. But to me, I've been watching a lot of the oil stocks because oil's been pretty crazy on recovering the strategic reserves drain. They're trying to fill it, blah, blah, blah. It broke out from this local, not an all-time high, but from March 2022, it actually broke above it this week. So I may or may not have opened a position here, and I'm trying to just ride this bad boy up, right? But we'll see. I haven't looked at crypto mining companies, if that's what you were actually referring to, but yeah, I need to look at Freeport and see what they even mine. I don't even know if it is silver related or if it's what type of metals they actually mine for. But I do know they do actual like commercial mining. I just don't know what. Let me check copper real quick because that's the other one. The copper bugs are starting to get inverse brought retweeted. So shout out Doppel for the copper one. Yeah, this is a good bit more volatile than your silver, but to me, still, if there's going to be an AI boom, you're still going to consume a lot of copper. To me, that's my thoughts. Maybe not using your semiconductors, but it's definitely going to be using the power transmission to feed these damn AI warehouses. So copper, I still think goes up, but we got to see if this AI bubble is going to pop or if it's going to keep rolling. Or if it's just the beginning of the bubble, who knows? We'll see. Nvidia definitely hit a wall for sure. It's worth noting. So anyway, yeah, I saw a post too, people cutting the Tesla charger cables for copper. I wouldn't. I think the high-end liquid-cooled copper Tesla cables are actually 480 volt, and they will rock your world if they arc, like if they're powered on. Now, hopefully, if you cut one, it doesn't keep that voltage going. But that's, if it's not 40, I think it's 360. Either way, high voltage. But anyway, that's wrapped.